So on the whiteboard here, I have a XY coordinate plane. And when you have an XY coordinate plane and you have an ordered pair, if you want to graph it, you travel, X is the horizontal distance you travel and the Y is the vertical distance. So if you were given an ordered pair, like for example, the ordered pair 4, 2, then you would have to take a look at your coordinate system. And basically it's just in two number lines that are put at 90-degree angles from each other. So in this one I've labeled it so that each tick mark is 1 apart. And so if I was to plot the ordered pair for 2, that would mean I go 4 on the X and I don't drop a point yet, and then I go 2 on the Y. So 4 is the horizontal distance that you travel, and 2 would be the vertical distance. So in this coordinate plane, the two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis, I told you there are number lines that are put at a 90-degree angle of each other. They form 4 regions, and those 4 regions are called coordinates, or quadrants, I'm sorry. And the quadrants are labeled as quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4 with Roman numerals starting in this first quadrant and going counterclockwise around. And in order for your coordinate, your ordered pair, to land into quadrant 1, both the x and the y value are going to be positive numbers. In order for your ordered pair to land into quadrant 2, your x value would be negative and your y value would be positive. In order for your coordinate to land in quadrant 3, both the x and the y value would be negative. And in order for your coordinate to land in quadrant 4, your x value would be positive and your y value would be negative. It is also possible that your coordinate, when you graph it, for example, let's say I had the coordinate 2, 0 and I wanted to plot it. When I plot this, I go 2 horizontally, but no vertical movement. And so it's possible that your coordinate lands on an axis itself. So when you are in ALEKS, you have to, let me show you an ALEKS screen. This right here shows me, it asks me to plot this point. So I'm going to use my pencil, and this point that they gave me was 5, -3. So I'm going to go to 5, and then I'll go down vertically to -3, and then I drop the point, and then I hit the check button, and then it will tell me if it is incorrect or correct.